Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be vlogging for you guys. And we could vloggy vlog. You know, I'm gonna swim here for the entire day and stuff like that. There with my nice, clean husband. You know, nice and clean.
No, but they're with here, it's a boyfriend.
No, yeah, my husband. So I got the hairdresser. Like, me can't manage my hair no longer, and me don't like comb my hair. I don't know if you don't realize, but why people have nice hair never like comb them hair? Like, can't manage.
Like me.
If me twist it out, it'll go stay twist until me find something else to do with it, because me just can't manage. Somebody want to give me hair some break because me did a back to back with the braid, and I know me is not a weak person. My hairdresser said 11 o'clock, but me did tell her to make her come earlier because if the person them not show up, she can't stop me hair, and then when them come, she can't stop. Me not have no problem with that. Me that understanding. But babe, so that you know the type of female where you're doing, right? You know what I'm capable of doing, right?
Yeah.
I was so upset last night. Me did just feel away because me I say, yo, Jason really left out of the yard and coming back like all is well after a long day of cheating. You know? So me did feel away. That what I did last night. I was upset. Very upset. But at the same time, I had no right to. So babe, I'm letting you know that I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. And it's something that won't happen again.
Okay, babe.
It did hurt. Be honest. It was painful when me did a lick it with the bottle.
Me never thought about that thing a long time ago when somebody do something and them say if it hot or not. What me say about that long time ago?
I don't remember. Tell me
It's
again.
not about if it's hot. You must never do that.
Okay.
If you don't justify it.
Okay, babe. But yeah, females, if you now watch this, it's not right. And you know, think about it long and hard, and me I said, boy, it's not right, because just imagine me did have a partner where, you know, me lick him while with the bottle, like what I did to Jason. Me lick him with the bottle and him take back the bottle and lick me. Lord have mercy. I wouldn't want that to happen. Wouldn't want that to happen then at all. So this is something that I won't be doing again. I'm just glad that me is a female like this, so when me wrong, we sit down and look into it and I said, boy, it don't look good. So yeah, other than that, we're not like that in our relationship. We're not puss and dog, none at all. Me is the one who feel lecture and talk and lecture. But sometimes I just boss, in all honesty.
Next thing tomorrow I didn't have vlog is my dream last night. I text really about it this morning. You see me? We know a lot of people, but then I comments them all over, say, oh, they not hear it, say nothing upon it. And bro, it's a thing where a lot of people assume, say, if you not say it on the media, you don't say it, and that is totally wrong. But I'm not here to justify or to take on nobody or nothing, because people will be people. My dream last night say Trish did very sad because of the thing we're going between she and Rolly. Understand? I don't know what's going on, you see me? So, and she did sit down and tell me how she's sad and she feel disappointed and she feel like she disappointed and them something. And ladies, none of women never ever understand the feeling when you get with a miscarriage, isn't it? Angel did have one, and I tell you, me did feel mash up. Up to now it still affect me. I know say if it affect me, no judge she. Trish just go through one, you see me? And all women have to do a bit there for me, you see me? So when she tell me all of that, she tell me, say she, as me say, she feel like she disappointed me, and some of those text really look well. As me say, we don't really have to say it on the ear, but a lot of people feel like if you don't say it on the ear, you don't say it. But I not do it if you say me say it or me, you know loud up a thing. I just do it if you say people no go send some extra love under a video today. You see me? I say any video she post last, just go under there and make you know, say your prayers be with her. You don't have to mention up the thing because that's what you turn. You don't have to mention up what you ask in the prayers for, because that are the issue. where a lot of people suffer from. Like for the rest of them life, people are going to bring it up and talk about it. Yes, when I do that, it make them more depressed. Ladies, you know me, I say, and I know for you, I do it, so come on. You know me, I say, go send some extra love and prayers under our video. If anybody will ever go through that, extra love and prayers for you. So I say, that's how more. I do me a turn.
Yeah, you can't turn here, so you have to go.
You understand? So, but that's a say, because a lot of people assume say if you're not say it from the media, don't say it. You understand? Because all of we have phone. We don't know what you're on phone. You see me? I say, but I'm not there for say nothing with sound factual or true, because we know that going in the real world. You see me? But that's a say. But that's a say. People send extra love on our video today, whether it be on our Instagram or just in our messages. Don't go in there go talk about what you are sending love for. Just go in our inbox and say, Trish, may I send you some extra love today, you know, and we really appreciate you and we love you and we're here with you. Do that for me. You see me? I say, yeah, babe, sorry if you cut so long in there.
No man, that's alright.
I tried to get the dream last time. I never remember, so I never tell you. I don't know how quick before I let you off.
And you know the funniest thing, you mentioned it, so you get one dream last night, but you never talk about it.
Exactly,
get busy.
With the rush hour, yeah. So people send extra love to her, you see me? I say, and, you know, I don't know where I go.
Yeah. I tell you, stuff like that is something where you never ever forget about, because even me, I try my best, especially when I see people with them baby. May I tell you, it cut me up, but at the same time, I'm happy for them. I'm really happy for them, because to carry a baby, it's not easy. 1, 2 people out there try to get a baby, it not work. There's so many stuff, so if you lose one, it really hurts. Coming from me, I can tell it hurt bad. The person like this was suppress my feelings, and it's not good. Not good, none at all. We not talk about how me feel. We have friends with me and them talk about every single thing what happened with them. How was their day? How was everything at all what happened with them? And we never hear me mention of how me feel about one certain situation. That's why one time me break down and me cry, it really get the best of me. It give me headache, it give me fever, it give me so many stuff, because me not talk about how me really feel. But guys, if you lose one baby, it's not easy. May I tell you, when you see people that deal with stuff, how them deal with it, you can't even be judgmental and say, boy, the person never did for do this, or the person did for do this, because people deal with stress differently. Another thing, and everything I go there out on the media. Everything, you know, go always be like, oh, no think it for be in our head. But as Jason said, when I go over there and do that, it's something that blind me. Right now, I'm reach a May pen. I go get my hair done, babe. We communicate throughout the day. Let me tell you which one my ear reach and stuff like that. You don't want to see your hair? Hey guys, so I finally finished. My ear finished probably 30 minutes ago, but I want to see Jason's reaction to my ear. I know probably say not less Andra, and the same thing I did the last time, but no. I put some color on the end. I don't know if Jason can see the color on the end of the ear, because I kind of sit down on it, but I go like take it up and show him. So before I get into it, I'm not a color girl, like we just see no color in my ear, but because we did get not less the last time and I did love how it looked for me, I said let me get it back again, but this time I'm gonna add a little spice to it, just a little teeny bit. So yeah,
let me see sir. Oh nice, me like your color. Let me see them.
The end them still wet, guys.
The color that I don't know if I want color scheme or how them do it or style, but that style is nice. It brown, yeah. I brought that brown.
It's not really bright, but it have a touch of brown.
Yeah, it don't have one shade. It look good.
Hey, did like how not let's fit me the last time?
I don't know what name that.
This time I have you now, cause we did have it the last time. So out of the last time or this time with the little color.
I like your color.
Yeah, I like with the color too. It give me a little, you know, when me feel grown. And the best part, the center fit me, and when me carry over this side to the next side, that fit me as well. So yeah. Alright guys, so we just reached home. Watch out! It can't flush. Then Inan was saying Nango can't flush?
Oh, yeah. Tom? Tom, what's going on? Nothing.
I'm stressed out. Yeah, pause me done off my video.
Yeah.
I'm stressed. So guys, we just reached home just to find this nice movie.
It named Kidnapping Stella. Watch it and see the kidnapper give people headache.
Babe, come on, son. Should I tell him if you wrap up in a kiss? No, and he go down.
Yeah,
The man not try to flush it.
Not spoil it for them.
But anyways, yeah. But I have nothing to do really, because before we left out of the house wasn't a mess, so we just come home, clean up ourselves, they are relax. What me this I want to talk to you about in regards to my business. Me just love to like put everything together before me even put out nothing, but me still letting you know, make you know, say, hey, listen, me come with a little business and stuff like that. In regards to the logo, but everybody will message me, because me did say it over Jason's channel. Thank you so much. Me still I got you a message, because me never did expect so much people to message me back in regards to it. But me so sorry, me answer who me can answer, go through them business page, talk to them. And if me not answer yet, definitely I'll come to you. But thank you so much guys. I just want to get my logo so I can put it on my business page. But yeah, thank you so much guys for always supporting me. I really and truly appreciate it. You know, just make me emotional. And the reason why I want the logo too as well, because when things pick up for me, not if I say if, when, because I mean, I gotta go do this. When things pick up for me, you know, I'm going to want my little shirt with my little logo on it. I just want to feel like a businesswoman, trust me. Plus, I need card for handout, and I need my logo for the sticker, because I'm going to pay sticker on every package. The whole moving push me way back, like with a lot of stuff when it comes on to putting up videos. So many stuff, it just push me back. And I just take my little time, a day at a time, to my journal right there. So must do I mean business, because every little thing when I get done, I stick it off of the list. After I did finish my ear, get 1 and 2 stuff done, so I stick them off of the list. So I'm gonna end off my little vlog right now. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 100K. Bye guys.